Welcome to Ranch Rehab DIY.
A place where we make DIY fun again.
From planting trees and bushes to digging trenches, our mission is to inspire you to start your very own do-it-yourself projects.
Whether you're a novice that's never cut a board or a seasoned professional that can't seem to get off the couch, we want to motivate you through the power of positivity.
And not only do we want to inspire and motivate y'all,
We also want to help brighten your day.
so join us for weekly do-it-yourself fun-filled videos.
That's right, and we know you guys got a lot of options out there. So if you enjoy this sort of content, please subscribe to our channel.
Interact with us. We want to hear from you.
That's right.